Hi guys, Josh Tharby here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is exclusive content, absolutely fresh news. The self-assessment tax return deadline has kind of been extended. It officially hasn't. It's still the 31st of January for the 1920 tax year. But what HMRC have said is that for anybody who doesn't get their return in on time, they're not going to be issuing late filing penalties, usually £100, for the first month of being late. So you've now got until the end of February 2021 to get your self-assessment tax return in on time. However, they've said that if possible, please do try and get your self-assessment tax return in before this deadline. Of course, they'd say that, but if you've got any other circumstances, COVID, any of these kind of things, you've now got a month breathing room to get that return in. Although tax is still going to be due on the 31st of January, so if you've got tax to pay, make sure you do get your return in so that you can speak to HMRC, know what tax you've got to pay, and if you can't pay it, get a time to pay arrangement in place so that you can set up a payment plan with HMRC and they're not chasing you for the money. So you've now got a month extra, but make sure you know what tax you've got to pay. Call HMRC if you can't pay it to get a payment plan set up. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure to hit the thumbs up.